Brain Explorers go. Wow, what's in the box? Ah, it only opens for words. Can you help me unlock it? Let's go. Letter C says ka. At. Ka. At. Cat. Say it with me, cat. Well done. One lock off. Letter H says ha. At. Ha. At. Hat. You got it, hat. That's another lock off. 2 more to go. Let's do it. Letter M says ma. At. Ma. At. Mat. Mat. Shout it out, mat. Yay, we got the 3rd lock off. Letter R says ra. At. Ra. At. Rat. Rat. Yay, we did it. That's the last lock. Rat. Cat. Hat. Mat. You're a word genius. Subscribe to practice and watch more videos.